Today we're breaking down an incident in Las Vegas that caused the clash between two street cultures, MC culture and punk rockers. A biker rolls through Vegas wearing a Dago's Chopper shirt. And let's just say, things did not end well. And what happened next? It sparked a full-blown street clash that's now blowing up online. But was this really about hate or MC culture being misunderstood? Let's get into it.
We run the night. We run the night. Run.
Big shout to the Ghosts and the Ghostettes. Welcome to Demons Row TV, the holy grail of MC culture, where we cover everything motorcycle and motorcycle club involved. I'm Sos the Ghost. I'm your host for the evening. Let's get straight into this clip. Real quick, that right there gave me flashbacks. This is pack mentality. People see someone outnumbered and they take advantage of a situation. To me, this is the lowest form of human being. I have seen this situation a million times in the Bronx. Two people start fighting, one person throws a punch, and before you know it, people that are not even with that person throwing a kick, throwing a punch, as soon as this person hits the ground, these are true evil cowards. This don't make your blood pressure rise. I just had a surgery, but bruh, I would have got up and I would have stinger splashed the crowd. Like, I would have lost my mind. But you know I've been in those situations. They suck. Being outnumbered like that is something that you never want to experience. And unfortunately, I've experienced it plenty of times. That's why you can't roll up by yourself into situations where there's big crowds. Why are you not with your boys? The security should have used force against the crowd, stopping their momentum. Don't let those feet start getting moving too quick, because then you have like a stampede type situation. As soon as they started to pick up speed, they should have been met with a barrier instead of them backpedaling. Man, that dude is such a punk. This man has not swung back one time, and you still got to sneak the punch in. Let me know if you're from Vegas. Isn't this regular out there? I don't know. In Cali, I see this all the time. I know for a fact in New York, nobody wears that type of stuff. Real quick, if you enjoy MC culture content, smash the like and the subscribe button. Give me a pound wherever you're from. Get your Ghostavelli mask, shades, Demons Row snapbacks in all colors, tank tops, crew necks, track races. We got it all, and you can get it on www.demonsrow.com. Let's get back into it. So let me know what you think. We talk all the time on the program about patches and symbols to stay away from. And the bolts, I have said, are one of them. Now, if you don't know about MC culture, these bolts are worn because clubs started from veterans coming back from World War II. When they came home and started creating MCs, they kept their military trends. A lot of people wear it as counterculture because they've seen other people doing it for years. Clubs do it for the original reason. But in this situation, it's funny how people pick their spots because this guy was by himself. But if the Mongols, the Vagos, or the Pagans were there wearing the same symbols, nobody would be saying nothing. Energy shift. But these people, they're piranhas. This man had a Dago Chopper shirt on, and that's why I don't sell anything in my merch store with those kind of symbols, because people walk around with bold statements and they turn into victims. So some of these comments are straight up hypocrisy, because if you reverse the situation, and if a couple of them confronted someone at a bike event on a Bolts t-shirt and club members proceeded to put hands and feet on them, it would be, oh, you see, they're a biker gang. This comment right here always bugs me out. All I see is a group of people giving him a much deserved massage as they realign his perception. Now, this woman is black. How is this relevant to her? I have been seeing this for years. Blacks and browns thinking that these symbols are against them. The propaganda that has been taught over the years is something out of the Rothschild's greatest hits. Why are you personally so offended by this? If I walked around with a mic in New York, I guarantee you 90% of the people think that their people were also in Germany in World War II. If you reverse this and it was a whole bunch of MAGA hats doing it to a black guy, she'd be protesting in the streets screaming BLM. The hypocrisy and lack of knowledge of history is amazing. But you know what? Growing up in the Bronx in the New York City school system, everything they taught us was leftist propaganda. They indoctrinate you at a young age so you vote like a moron to keep them in power. It's actually evil genius, but the fishies, they buy it every time. Hook, line, and sinker. So let me know in the comments, what do you think about this situation? Whether or not the symbolism is something I agree with or not. I just hate when a mob picks on one person. It's cowardice to me. And thank you for tuning in to Demons Road TV, the holy grail of MC culture. Like, subscribe, and comment. And oh yeah, we ghosting, baby.